Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix not connecting to Wi-Fi on Honor 200 Smart. First thing is to go into Wi-Fi settings, click on the Wi-Fi you're not able to connect to, click forget, then click on it again and connect one more time. As you can see, it already worked for me. Next thing is to toggle Wi-Fi on and off the other way, off and on, but in settings. So go into settings, then mobile network, it's not mobile network, Wi-Fi, it's in here, and just disable it and enable. Next thing is to restart your router, but I don't have on me right now, but you should do it. Next thing is in settings, scroll down to system and updates, software update, check for updates, and if your software is not up to date, then update it. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.